So today we would like to present our poster for our final project named Media Content as Means of Social Influence on the Younger Generation.
So, social media is an integral part of young people's lives, with social media deeply embedded in daily life. Its impact on young people's mental health, body image, and identity is profound. While social media connects youth to global perspective, it also introduces risks like anxiety, body dissatisfaction, and national identity shifts. Research question: what are the primary mental health effects of social media usage among young people, and which specific platform features or content types contribute most significantly to these outcomes? Hypothesis: high engagement with appearance-focused social media correlates with body dissatisfaction. Second is frequent social media use contributes to weaker attachment to national identity.
So next is research question in literature. Though the literature highlights a complex relationship between social media and young people's mental well-being. Studies suggest that while social media can foster connection, it can also increase body image issues and self-comparison. Research by Holland and Tiedemann highlight the role of appearance-focused content in driving body dissatisfaction, while studies by Easy and Pandin emphasize the potential erosion of national identity among young people influenced by globalized social media culture. This study builds on existing research focused on Kazakhstan's youth to explore cultural influence in the digital context. Additionally, this research aims to expand on Shimkoyak et al.'s finding on the role of educators in promoting balanced social media use to preserve cultural values. Next, outline of research design. So our research uses a mixed method approach combining quantitative and qualitative methods. First, quantitative method survey of 100 young Kazakhstani participants examined social media use and its effects on self-perception and national identity. Key measures include independent variables that engage with appearance-focused content and exposure to diverse cultural content, while dependent variables measured with skills like the appearance-related social media consciousness scale and national identity scale. Second is qualitative component. Interviews with 10-15 participants provide deeper insights into personal experiences with social media. These interviews focus on topics such as social comparison, self-esteem, and identity, with an emphasis on the cultural context. And finally, data analysis methods. So, quantitative data is analyzed with statistical tools and regression to test link between social media use and psychosocial outcomes. Qualitative data is examined through thematic analysis to identify key themes that add context to the quantitative results.
And detailed in the results of preliminary analysis. The preliminary analysis supports the ideas in the study. Data shows that spending a lot of time on appearance-focused content is linked to feeling less satisfied with one's own looks. Also, seeing global content often can weaken a sense of national identity. Early observations suggest that many young people in Kazakhstan may feel pressure to watch Western beauty standards, which can lead them to feel distance from their own culture. These findings show that appearance-focused media impacts self-image, while global content might reduce connection to national identity. And a discussion of findings. Social media affects young people's mental health and identity in both positive and negative ways. Body image and self-esteem. Seeing perfect images online can make young people compare themselves and feel unhappy with their own appearance. As studies shows, happens often with image-focused content. National identity. Global content can make young people feel less connected to their Kazakh culture, as they may start valuing social media trends more than traditional norms. Cultural context. Kazakh traditions sometimes clash with social media's global ideas, showing a unique cultural impact on how young people see the world. In conclusion and next steps. The study emphasized the needs for balanced social media use. Next steps include further research on long-term effects, policy recommendations for media literature, and guidelines to support young people's mental well-being and cultural identity online.